friend. It's me, Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And we just finished building all of these giant sharks that move around for Pirate Week here in Tinkerland. We wanted to show you how you can make a simple shark at home using a cardboard box and things you have around the house. We'll start by taking our small cardboard box and opening up the flaps on the top and the bottom, like this. There we go. And we want to make the nose of the shark pointy, so we'll just point it and then refold the flaps. Hold them down. Now have a grown-up help cut this piece down right here. This is the front flap. And because we pointed it, we need to cut it so that we can fold these pieces down in the front. Perfect. Now we'll tape this all down. I like to use masking tape because you can tape it and paint on top of it and it doesn't show through. Now we can draw our mouth. So I've got a marker here and we'll start back here and we'll end right about here and we'll just swoop it. There we go. And then we'll make an eye right here. Some angry eyes. Perfect. Now we'll cut out the mouth. Have a grown-up help cut this part and use a pair of scissors or a box cutter and just cut out the mouth right here, all the way up. Now for the tail, we could use this big piece of construction paper and just draw something like a shark tail, like this. And then we could tape this on the back here and paint it along with our box. Or we can take this. This is a big paper bag. Let's use this. We'll just tape it on right here. There we go. This is gonna be a great tail because it's really flexible. So we'll just flatten out our bag like this. We're gonna draw a tail shape, and now we can just cut this out. We can tape these two pieces together so that they don't open. They'll stay shut. And speaking of fins, let's make the side fins and the top fin too. We'll use these paper plates, and we'll just cut this into 4 pieces. Have a grown-up cut it in half this way. There we go. And then cut this in half. And then cut it in half again. Now we have 4 equal pieces, like a pie. We'll use these 2 pieces for the side fins. See, like this? Let's tape those into place. There we go. And now we can use these 2 pieces for the top fin and just put them together and place them right on top like this. Awesome. Now we can paint it. You'd be surprised how much paint brings something to life. Now we made 2 different sharks before. We made the hammerhead shark with this gray paint right here. And then we made a great white shark with this dark blue, this light blue, and this white. We're gonna make a great white shark with this box. So we'll start by taking our dark blue right here, and we're gonna go all the way up here by the nose. There we go. Now we're gonna take another brush and we're gonna paint this bottom part white. So I'll get some white. We'll come right in here on the bottom part of the lips, and then we'll paint it all the way back here. And we'll also take our white and add it to the top part of the lips right here. Now for the top of the shark, I'm gonna take this light blue right here. We're gonna go right around here, around the top fin, and then we're gonna actually paint the fin light blue too. See, like this? And while this paint is still wet, we're gonna take our dark blue like this, and we're gonna paint right along the edge here. Perfect. And then we can blend these 2 colors together. I'll just take a piece of paper towel and rip off a piece like this and crunch it into a little ball. Perfect. And now I'll just take this and I'll just dab along and blend these 2 together. Cool. All right, now we can do the tail. So we'll just continue our lines. There we go. And now we can paint the little edge of his tail fin with some white. Now once you paint both sides and let it dry, we can go in with some details. And we'll use this black marker. And then back here, we'll do some gills. 1, 2, 3. I also like to go in by his cheek right here, and we'll just go around the cheek to define it. Nice. And then see this line right here where the dark blue meets the white? I'm just gonna cover that with the black marker too. It looks great. And the last thing, but most important thing for our shark is the sharp shark teeth. So the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna take some white construction paper like this and just cut it in half long ways. And then we'll come in and we'll make some sharp teeth by curving the scissors. You can make some big and some small. Whoa, these look great. Now we can take one of these and take some tape and tape it to the inside of our box. Let's add some on the bottom teeth too. Wow, he turned out so great. And I love how the teeth turned out. Whoa, they're so sharp. I can't believe we made this out of a cardboard box. And you can make something just like this at home too. Grab a box and give it a try. Well, it's time for us to go now, but it was so much fun making cool things with you here in Tinkerland. And I hope you'll come back and visit us here in Tinkerland real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend. Bye-bye. If you want to see how we made our giant animatronic sharks, now you can. Head on over to the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel and you can see Tinker and Bill construct them out of cardboard boxes and motors. Plus, see Tinker and Bill construct a giant octopus in the park, all out of cardboard. And get ready for next week when we build our giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes and create a working cannon that shoots fog. It's all part of our Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland, where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.